Dubai Mall is an emblem of modern Dubai and a symbol of the city's rise from a desert town to a global center for tourism, shopping, and business. Situated in the heart of downtown Dubai, right next to the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, and the stunning Dubai Fountain, the Dubai Mall is more than just a retail hub. It is the largest mall in the world in terms of total area and the most visited building on the planet. As you step into the Dubai Mall, you will be struck by its awe-inspiring interior architecture. The clean, spacious corridors lined with a multitude of stores are brought to life by natural light streaming in through strategically placed skylights. There's an overall sense of luxury, exclusivity, and exceptionality that envelops the mall, giving it an aura of a grandeur that is both inviting and inspiring. The Dubai Mall is a treasure trove for shopping enthusiasts. With over 1,200 stores, it houses an extensive range of retail outlets from high-street fashion brands to designer labels, making it a dream destination for shoppers. Here, you can shop for everything from fashion to electronics, jewelry to perfumes and toys to sporting goods. It is home to some of the biggest names in fashion like Chanel, Gucci, Versace, and many more. Alongside the designer boutiques, there are also plenty of popular brands such as Zara, H&M, and Gap. Beyond shopping, the Dubai Mall is a complete leisure and entertainment complex. It houses the fantastic Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo, which holds thousands of aquatic animals. The aquarium is not like any other. It has the largest collection of sand tiger sharks in the world, and its massive tank is located in the middle of the mall, mesmerizing shoppers as they walk past. For movie buffs, there is the Real Cinemas, an immense 22-screen cineplex that includes a state-of-the-art Dolby Cinema, which provides a multi-sensory movie-going experience. There are also theme parks like Kidzania, a miniature city for children where they can role-play various professions, and VR Park, a virtual reality and augmented reality theme park, pushing the boundaries of human imagination. One of the major attractions in the mall is the Fashion Avenue, a precinct dedicated to over 200 luxury fashion retailers that specializes in haute couture. Walk along this avenue, and you will feel as if you've stepped into a fashion show in Paris or Milan. Food connoisseurs have a multitude of choices as the mall has over 200 food and beverage outlets. Whether you crave gourmet dining at five-star restaurants or want to grab a quick bite at a fast food joint, you are spoiled for choice. Even when it comes to staying connected, the mall doesn't disappoint. Free Wi-Fi services throughout the mall ensure instant connectivity. The Dubai Mall is not only about indoor extravagance. Its location provides visitors with a breathtaking view of the Burj Khalifa and the opportunity to witness the impressive Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain, dancing to different tunes throughout the day. Despite its massive size, the Dubai Mall never feels too overwhelming thanks to the effective signposting and helpful customer service. There are also ample parking facilities and drop-off points, and direct walkways to both the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Metro, making the commute stress-free and seamless. Above all, the beauty of the Dubai Mall lies in its ability to cater to every kind of visitor, from the luxury seeker to the fun lover, from the foodie to the film enthusiast, from the traveler to the local. It embodies the pulse of modern-day Dubai, thriving, dynamic, and constantly reaching for the sky. Indulging in retail therapy at the Dubai Mall is not just about shopping. It's about experiencing the rich day-to-day culture of a city that has transformed itself from a desert backwater into a shining, gleaming metropolis in just a few decades. Luxurious, glamorous, and always buzzing with energy, the Dubai Mall is indeed the epitome of what Dubai stands for: a city of limitless possibilities and unforgettable experiences.